The kitchen is the most productive area of your home. And today, I'd like to show you the best way to set this up without feeling so overwhelmed. The kitchen is actually one of the most important areas of the home. Don't underestimate how much productivity you can get in this area. The first thing to consider is where the dishwasher is located. This will become a time-consuming task, a little bit of a pain, because you're doing it pretty much daily. Notice that I have the silverware drawer just opposite of the dishwasher. This has been a great time saver. Now, not everything is going to be in this area. You're going to have to put things away in obviously other cupboards, but one of the things to pay attention to is where your glasses and your dishes are going to be. If you can keep these directly above your dishwasher, then you're going to save quite a bit of time here. Second thing you want to consider is where you're going to prepare most of your meals. This is usually a counter that is between the stove and the sink. Note that I have my cutting boards very close by, and the drawer below has all of my cutting tools and knives handy. Oh, you may also want to consider where the garbage is going to go here as well. And the next thing we consider is the counter space and small appliances. I do have a coffee cart for my espresso machine with everything I need there. That is the happy start to my day. The other appliances that I don't use that often that you see here, I'm going to put in a side cupboard. And I got these hooks off of Amazon. They have the sticky stuff on the back to wrap your cord. They're like cord wraps that you can see here, and it just makes it easier when you're pulling these appliances in and out. I'll tell you at the end if they worked for me or not. The example of this kitchen shows the windows and the cabinets, which is nice to put your dishes there. Just note that the lights behind these dishes make the cabinets look really nice, and note where you're going to store your items. In the bottom cabinets, if you have the option of drawers, they are much more beneficial with storage, as you can see here. Now, one of the things that I feel is most productive about a kitchen is to keep counters clean. I am grateful for this huge island, but if you do not have this space available, find a nice counter that you can keep clear or a table that is nearby that doesn't have stuff on it. Here you can see gift wrapping a really big picture makes a difference. And also for sorting papers, I try to keep my papers filed, but there's always something that's going on. And also don't forget school projects. These counters, there's always a school project that has to be completed at 11 p.m. at night. And laundry. Even though the laundry is not here, it is nice when your washer and dryer are close by. Sewing, I always have a pile of few little things that need to be done. And these are like just hand tacking something on, fixing something, just the way it works. And it's nice to have this counter to be able to pull my items out and work on a clear surface. If it's the only thing there, it kind of keeps my attention focused on the project that I'm working on. It's really a great productivity tip to be able to finish one thing and move on to another. Of course, when we talk about multitasking, it's nice I'm in the kitchen because it's time for me to marinate the salmon. And so I'm going to turn around. Oh, there's Joni. I guess she feels that she's going to supervise what I am doing here. Nope, sorry, Joni, I didn't drop anything on the floor this time. Now, I don't have too many things that I iron. I have a steamer in my closet, but when there's something that needs to have a good press to, this can run into a little bit of a temporary ironing board. So that is another reason why I like having this clear counter to be able to do something quick. And also, I forgot to mention any kind of lighting or natural lighting. You can always have an herb garden inside of your kitchen. Now here are some examples I'm going to leave you with kitchens that have nice clear counters and that are well organized. There are different styles in decor, but they all serve the same function and can be a great productivity room for the homes. Oh, and the cord wraps, after about 10 or 14 days, they were falling off. I think because the Instapot and the food processor were curved, but the toaster was because it melted the glue. I will be taking more time to dig into specific areas of the kitchen in the next coming weeks, so please stay tuned and subscribe or watch my posts, follow me on social media, and we will see you soon. Bye.